Are you tired of being sent to the wrong page after logging into WordPress? That frustrating redirect loop in your WPadmin can really throw a wrench in your workflow. But don't worry, we're about to fix it. This is your quick guide to solving the WP admin goes to another page problem. This issue, where instead of seeing your familiar WordPress dashboard, you land on a completely different or unintended page after entering your credentials, is surprisingly common. It often stems from plugin conflicts, incorrect permalink settings, or even a corrupted core file, but the good news is, it's usually a straightforward fix. Our first step involves checking for plugin conflicts. Think of your plugins as little helper apps for your WordPress site. If one of them is misbehaving, it can cause this redirect problem. To do this, we'll access your website files, usually through your hosting provider's file manager. Navigate to your WordPress installation and find the WP Content folder. Inside WP Content, you'll see a folder named Plugins. We're going to temporarily deactivate all your plugins by renaming this folder to something like Plugins Old. This essentially tells WordPress that no plugins are active. Save your changes. Now try logging into your WPadmin area again. If you're redirected correctly to your dashboard, congratulations. The problem was a plugin. You can then go back, rename Plugins Old back to Plugins, and reactivate your plugins one by one in your WordPress admin, checking the login after each activation to pinpoint the culprit. If renaming the plugins folder didn't solve it, the next common fix is to reset your permalinks. This might sound odd, but it can refresh how your website handles URLs in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Permalinks. You don't need to change anything here, just click that Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This action often resolves various routing issues. With these steps, you should be back to managing your WordPress site smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential WordPress fixes and tips.